lesson number 12, Introduction to Acid and Bases. Under this we seen the acid base indicators, some of the indicators made in the laboratory, and some are the natural indicators, how to make the indicators strips, okay, that or filter paper, natural indicators, how to make, that we had seen, and the simple experiments which shows the identification of base and acid, that we had seen. Now here try this activities there. Under the guidance of teacher, take vinegar, next lime juice, ammonium hydroxide, that is NH4OH, and dilute hydrochloric acid, that we have to take, and in different test tubes, and add a drop of following indicators in them. And these indicators are there, means red litmus paper, blue litmus paper, phenolphthalein, methyl orange, and nature of solution we have to find out, that is it acidic or is it basic. So for that, first of all we have to take the lime juice. So this lime juice is there, as you know, lime juice means actually now we are not in a lab, so we have to solve it orally only. How means it's solving. So first of all, lime juice, as I told you before only, it has which acid? Citric acid. Citric acid. Okay, so it is acid. So according to it only, nature means in this I told you the nature at first, because now we are not in lab, that's why. So lime juice, if you are taking lime juice, if you are taking, then it is acidic in nature, as you all of you knows that. So lime juice inside, red litmus is there, it remains red only. Red litmus remain red only. Okay, and blue litmus is there, it turns red in color. It turns red in color. Okay, now here next is the phenolphthalein indicator, as we seen before only on page number 84. Okay, so lime juice, phenolphthalein is colorless in the what acid. So here the lime juice inside, the phenolphthalein is colorless. Okay, it is colorless. So here red litmus remains red only. Red litmus remain red only. Blue litmus stain turns to red. Phenolphthalein in lime juice, phenolphthalein is colorless. It is colorless. Now methyl orange. Methyl orange, if we add to this lime juice, we see its color changes to pink in color. Its color changes to pink in color. As you know that methyl orange color I told you, its color is orange only. Lime juice, you seen it, it's a colorless, and when we add this methyl orange into the lime juice, its color changes to the pink in color. And from this observation we have to write the nature of the solution is the acidic. Nature is acidic. Okay, so actually we have to do this activity at lab, and then we have to write its answer. But now without means online, I am just teaching to you, that's why I told you the how it is there. Now this is NH4OH. NH4OH. NH4OH, inside it OH is there, so it is the basic solution. Where there is a OH present, then it is called as a basic solution. OH as a basic radical, acidic radical, that's why it is a what? Base. So as we know that the red color is there, red litmus paper is there, it turns which? That is the blue litmus paper remains blue. Blue litmus paper remains blue in the base, and the red litmus paper turns blue in the base. Okay, now next part is the which? That is phenolphthalein indicator. So in NH4OH solution inside, when we are adding the phenolphthalein, then its color changes to pink. Its color changes to pink in. So the next state is the which? That is when we add this methyl orange. Okay, when we add this methyl orange. Actually, just one point I forgot to tell you, that phenolphthalein is colorless solution. You know that methyl orange is a which? Orange in color. So when this orange colored methyl orange, when we are adding into the NH4OH, okay, so it turns to yellow. It's turned to yellow in color. And from this observation means red litmus turns blue, blue remains blue in NH4OH solution, ammonium hydroxide solution. Phenolphthalein, which is colorless solution, when we add into the NH4OH, it shows the pink color, and methyl orange in NH4OH, it shows the yellow color. So from this observation we can say that this is a basic solution, right? Now the next state is the hydrochloric acid, means HCl, H. So here also it is acid. So red litmus paper remains red inside the hydrochloric acid. Blue litmus paper turns to red, blue litmus paper turns to red in acid. Phenolphthalein, which is colorless, and hydrochloric acid is also colorless, okay. And then also when we add this phenolphthalein indicator into the hydrochloric acid, what happens? The resultant solution is also colorless, okay, it is colorless. Now methyl orange is there. When we add this methyl orange into this hydrochloric acid, its color changes to pink. Methyl orange, I told you before only, it is pink, orange in color, and hydrochloric acid is colorless. So when we add this hydrochloric acid, its color changes to pink. And from this observation we say that it is acidic in nature. It is acidic in nature. Now the next solution is the acetic acid, vinegar. And vinegar is nothing but it is a acetic acid. It is acetic acid. So in acid, the red litmus remains red, blue litmus turns to red, phenolphthalein is colorless, and and vinegar is also colorless. And the resultant solution, when we add this phenolphthalein indicator in the vinegar solution, the solution is colorless, okay. And methyl orange turns to pink, and from this observation the resultant solution means this vinegar, that is acetic acid, is acidic in nature. So from this, lime juice, hydrochloric acid, vinegar, that is acetic acid, these are acidic in nature, and the NH4OH is a basic in nature. So all of you complete this chart from our textbook, okay. And now we will move towards the next part of the lesson, that is the effects of acid. Just I will cut it now. Effects of acid and bases on litmus paper. From above experiments, we say that what the blue litmus paper is there, it turns red in acid, and red litmus paper is there, it turns blue in the bases or alkalis inside. So orange color, methyl orange turns pink. Just now we seen that orange color of methyl orange changes to pink in acid, while colorless phenolphthalein turns pink in the alkali solution. So this is the observation from this table. This is the table from this observation is shown here. And if you see here from this, if you see here, this blue litmus paper turns red. The blue litmus paper is there, it turns red. If you see here, observe here, this color is pink color, and above here it is blue color litmus paper is there. So actually he had taken the blue color litmus paper and he add this solution, okay, and it turns pink, red take here inside. It is looking pink, actually it is the blue color, actually blue litmus paper he had taken, it turns red, means which type of solution is there? That is the acidic solution, because in acid blue litmus paper turns to red, okay. That's why this solution is called as a acidic. And if you see here, it is clearly looking, this is a red litmus paper, and if you see here, dark blue color is shown in this, okay. So if red color is there, it turns to blue, then this solution is called as a alkaline solution or the basic solution, okay. So from this we are understanding, we can identify the given solution is acidic or basic by using the litmus paper. Can you tell what happens when the sour substances like lime juice, tamarind, water falls on the Shahabadi stones or kitchen platform, and why? Why this happened? That is the question. The answer for this question is, as you know that the lime juice is acidic in nature, tamarind is there, inside it also tartaric acid is there, and when it falls on the shahabadi tiles or the kitchen tiles are there, kitchen platform is there on it, then what happens? When this lime juice falls on a shahabadi tiles which contain the calcium carbonate, means shahabadi tile is there, it has a calcium carbonate, means CaCO3. Okay, shahabadi tiles means nothing but CaCO3. And when this juice is there, means lime juice or tamarind juice is there, it falls on this, then what happens? The reaction is takes place in between this lemon juice, in between lemon juice and calcium carbonate. Here I will write upside. Lemon juice, it falls on the shahabadi tiles, means CaCO3. Then it releases it. What it forms? Sodium citrate. Lime juice inside which juice acid is there? Citric acid. So it forms the calcium citrate. Calcium, CaLCium citrate, calcium citrate, and it releases CO2 gas. From this gases emerges out from this. Okay, and we see the white color spot on this kitchen platform. When this lime juice falls on the marble kitchen or counter or shahabadi tile, the carbon dioxide is liberated from this. Okay, understood all of you? The next is collect soil sample from your surrounding. We have to do this activity and find out whether it is acidic, alkaline or neutral. How you will do this? You have to collect the soil, add little water inside it and make it a solution. Okay, if you are taking 2-3 samples, suppose 3 samples I had taken, add some water and after that collect the water from this. Okay, and that water inside, if you put the litmus paper inside it, or pH papers are also available nowadays. So if it is means red litmus paper turns blue, litmus paper turns blue, then this is the alkaline nature of the soil. When the blue litmus paper turns red in this water, then this is acidic in nature. The soil is acidic in nature. And if there is no change on red litmus paper also and blue litmus paper also, then the solution is the neutral. The soil is neutral one, and neutral soil is good for crops. Okay. Now the next point is which substances are used to clean the greenish stain on the copper vessels, on the shine blackish silver. So which substances we are using? If I will ask you the question, you will tell me that we are using the pitambari. Okay, nowadays pitambari is available, but in olden days inside the women's, which are generally all the vessels are made up of this coppers only in olden time. Nowadays stainless steel is available, so they are for silver utensils also, means that chandis that having no plates and all that. So for that, nowadays olden days inside they are using which material? That is tamarind. Where they are using tamarind, lime juice, lemon juice, sorry, lime not, lemon juice. Lime means what I told you, that is suna, that is juice. And then sometimes they are using pickles also. Okay, pickle is made up of what? Made up of mango, and raw mango is what? Sour in taste. Means if you see this, these are all acidic. Tamarind, lemon or the pickle, whatever is there, these are which color? Acidic in nature, and that we are using to clean the utensils which are made up of copper vessel, copper or the silver. And why toothpaste is used for brushing teeth? Why toothpaste is used for brushing teeth? The reason behind it is that actually toothpaste is used to promote oral hygiene. Okay, means oral hygiene means mouth inside, you know that where there is a wet place, bacteria grows inside it. Okay, and it is abrasive that aids to the removing dental plaque. Okay, and on our teeth, yellow colored plaque we are saying. You see in the advertise of that toothpaste, you see the plaque is there, the germs they are showing. Okay, and food from the teeth. Okay, and assist to suppressing health styles and delivers active ingredients, mostly commonly fluoride. So when they are made up of, toothpaste is made up of main substances there, fluoride is there, and fluoride is there, it is helping to clean the teeth to stop the decaying of the teeth, and gum diseases are there get cured because of this fluoride. And the bad smell is coming. If your teeth give the bad smell, that also what happens, the smell is just wash away with when we are doing the brush with the toothpaste. Okay, so these are the reasons are there. Because of it, what happens, we are using the toothpaste as a toothpaste for brushing our teeth. So today we are going to stop here only, and the next part we will see in our next lecture. So the acid base is there, so you have to make it perfect. All these observations perfectly you have to keep in your mind, these observations. And we have, by using this, we can just completed this box, and that all. And use your brain powers questions are also very interesting, so all of you learn these also, and the next part of the lesson we will see in our next lecture. So today all of you complete this all, and then tomorrow we will start the acid, its properties, its uses, we will see. Okay, thank you and have a good day.